What's going on, guys? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and today here with another fire video telling you how to make money online where you can start making up to $30 to $60 an hour just by taking surveys. Now, before you click off, before you stop and go and be like, oh no, Trey, I take surveys and all this is a different kind of approach. Surveys are not what they used to be back in the day. This is 2019, another era for surveys. Everything is about technology now, so people are a little more serious when they're talking about paying for surveys. And this is by far the best opportunity that I found on the internet as far as paying for surveys. You don't have to worry about all that, doing all those questionnaires, because I was tired of that too. Doing all those questionnaires, then find at the end of the questionnaire that you don't even qualify for the survey. Well, with this one, Gold Opinions, you're going to get it. You're going to go start taking the survey and start making bank, and you can actually start doing this today. So if you look at the guy on the screen, he's talking about he made $30 in his first day, right? So all you have to do is just have time on your hand. That's the biggest thing. Have time. You can do this worldwide no matter where you are. And here's the breakdown of it, right? So you can get paid up to $5 for a 10 to 15 minute survey, right? Get paid $30 per hour on focus group and panels. Get paid to $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minute surveys. Get paid up to $50 for premium surveys. And these surveys are no longer than an hour, guys. You don't need any experience to join. You can work at home, make money no matter where you are in the world, right? Now, I just want to put this in perspective for you, right? When you're joining this is the thing. You want you know what? It's I'm gonna show you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Just stay tuned throughout the video. I'm gonna tell you why this is such a good deal, why you need to jump on this like today. You need to get on this while you can today. So just hint while you can. All right, so let's put in this perspective. You're gonna get paid between $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minutes of work of taking a survey. Guys, there's people out here that don't $dollars an hour and they're doing hard labor all day. You have a chance to make $30 an hour. And if you really get good at this and really get good at taking surveys and you start getting really a lot of traction with it, you can start making $60. So you'll start doubling that $30. You can get $30 for 30 minutes and then do another 30-minute survey. Now you didn't just make $60 an hour. And if you don't have a job, that means you got plenty of hours throughout the day. You're making $60 an hour throughout the day, and there's no time limit. It's like you can't just take a survey and then be like, all right, you got to take another tomorrow. No, you just take as many as you would like. That's the thing, because they partnered up with some big brands, so they have the bread and they have the money to pay. Now, why are these big brands paying this company so much? Well, these big brands, they need this customer support, and instead of them running ads on Facebook, instead of them doing commercials that cost thousands of dollars to do, thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to do, they'll really just get the input straight from the consumer about their product and about their service and things like that. So that way they can tweak it and be as specific as possible without spending all that money trying to advertise to somebody and trying to make a product word that probably people don't even like. So here's some of the things you can also get rewards. So there's something I like about it too. I mean, people love money, don't get me wrong, but sometimes people like other things, so you can get a debit card, right? Minimum $5 withdrawal, maximum of $1,000 a day. You can get that. You can get cash. You can get Apple products. You can get lunch, Starbucks. You get sports stuff, Nike, Adidas, Puma. Look, I'm telling you, like this site right here, you get gift cards to Target. Netflix, Netflix is going up now, man. Netflix is like charging out the butt for just having the service. So you can start getting vouchers for Netflix. Look at this, free flights. You can get free flights from service. So it's a lot of stuff that you can cash in for with Gold Opinions. Like a lot of surveys, Swag Books and I think Survey Junkie or whatever it's called, they're not giving this, and they're probably giving you pennies on a dollar. This website right here is giving you money. They're really linked in. So it's going to take 24 hours, right? 24 hours to really process your payment, to get your payment out. That's not bad. So, it's not like 2 weeks, not like you working 2 weeks for a paycheck, right? So, like I was talking about earlier, These are the brands that these people are working with. Look at these: BP, Coca-Cola, you got Adidas, LG, Philips, MasterCard, Honda, all the big brands that you know and love. These people are Google, the biggest search engine in the world, next to YouTube, which you're watching me on right now. They're working with them. These people have the money to spend, and they need you to take these surveys, and they're ready to pay you for it because you're doing them a great service, right? So here's the stuff. You choose a job, you submit your work, and you get paid. That's it. That's all there is to it. 1, 2, 3, you get paid. Now, how do you get a part? How do you become a part of this survey? This survey company, Gold Opinions, right? So let me get on up. So these are testimonials of these people. So let me keep on going. So what you want? There we go. So you remember earlier when I kind of stumbled, I stopped a little bit. And I was talking about starting a survey or whatever. You get to do a free 7-day trial. If you go down to the link below in the description, you can do a 7-day trial on me because I'm a partner with them for letting them know you can try it out and see if you even like it. If you don't like it, then you can leave it alone, right? So this 7-day trial of you getting in, because it is a membership thing. You do have to pay some kind of due to have a part of this, right? So, but for 7 days, you can be making money. You can be making money for free. And if at the end of 7 days you're done, you say, I don't like this no more, I don't even want to do it, then you can be out. You can be on by your way. So I advise you to hit the link below, go straight to there, start trying to just try it out for 7 days, try it out for a long. You're going to like it. You're going to start making money. It's going to be easy. And it's going to be all there is to it. Make sure you tell your friends and refer this video. But until next time, because I got some more stuff I want to put out. I'm about to start recording another video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below. And until I see you next time, remember, you are royalty.